I'm Silvan Zuniga. I talking about an anecdote for me. My anecdote, I will never forget that I passed on World Trade Center of Laredo. Haven't, I haven't a license of truck, and this day I was punished the officer. I'm talking about I not have because I am 19 years old, and after the 21 years old to have a license of truck. The funny set are where the embedded history about officer, and because the moon is very expensive, and in this case, and I made a story about my father is very sick, and my brother is not high leg, and something, and then I have a problem with the police officer, and then the officer say me that go out with the truck, but a person will come to the truck, but I didn't drive this truck. It's very funny set because I didn't receive a